Hi, I'm Rick with Good Time Camping. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, Florida State Parks RV camping. The great thing about Florida State Parks is there is something for everyone. Do you like the beach? You might try Gamble Rogers or Topsail State Parks. How about some snorkeling? John Penny Camp is the place to be. How about some fishing? Lake Kissimmee State Park, or maybe wildlife interests you. Try Payne's Prairie for some buffalo, or Blue Springs for manatees, or take the tram tour at Highlands Hammock State Parks to see alligators. I love to take boat tours, and one of my favorites is Silver Springs State Park and their glass bottom boats, or Myakka River State Park and the airboat tour. But there are also tram tours, ranger-led hikes, and did you know that they have cave tours at Florida Caverns State Park? So now you may be wondering, how do I make a reservation for Florida State Parks? Well, they have made it very easy. So just go to the Florida State Park website, and on the park that you are looking to make a reservation for, just hit the button that says make a reservation. Or you can go directly to the Reserve America website, or you can also call Reserve America. Now I'll give you a couple tips that I hope you find useful. Number one is make your reservations early. You can make reservation from 1 day up to 11 months in advance. And I would encourage you to make your reservations as early as you can at Florida State Parks, as they fill up fast. Number two, if you can't get a reservation at the park you want, make one at your second or third choice and keep checking your first choice to see if any cancellations have been made. If you find one, you can change your reservations for a small fee. Number three is, I like to use a website called campsitephotos.com. The site has a lot of Florida State Parks listed. And what they do is they put a photo of every campsite in the campground on their website. And I find this invaluable for picking a great campsite. And my last tip would be to call the park if you have any questions. I have found the rangers to be very helpful whenever I've had a question. So I'll leave links in the description of the websites that I've mentioned in this video, and I'll also leave the phone number to Reserve America. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you have, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you'll always know whenever we put up a new video. So until next time, get out there and have a good time camping.